I imbibe new ideas from the creativity of God. And greater works than these shall ye do also. John 14:12. Emerson tells us that the Ancient of Days is in the latest invention. In other words, since God is all there is, the only presence, the only power, and the only mind or intelligence, when we conceive a new idea, we are thinking directly from the creativity of God. It is not our isolated, limited human personality that projects this new idea. We are merely the instrument through which this projection takes place. But we are in partnership with the projector. God really is in the latest invention, in the latest song, in the latest novel, in the last picture that was painted, and in that feeling we have of new and greater and better things to come. For God is all there is. There is nothing else besides. God is both the inventor of the game and those who play in it, the author and actor, the singer and the song. Today I imbibe new ideas from the creativity of God. My whole consciousness is alive and awake and aware. It is impregnated with divine ideas and shall bear fruit after the image of the impression conceived within it and the divine imprint made upon it. Today, then, I expect new ways of doing things. I expect to meet new people, form new friendships. I expect everything in my experience to enlarge and deepen and broaden. I expect more good than I have ever experienced before. And today, I expect to give out more, to increase my love for others. Today, I expect for myself a more gentle approach to life, a more kindly feeling, a more beneficent impulse. New thoughts, new ideas, new people, new situations, new ways of doing things. And a new influx of the divine will make this day perfect, glad, and expressive of limitless bounty from the storehouse of the infinite good.